gasket. It's a useless, Useless. Alright, I'm gonna start the process of swapping these engines. That's coming out, going in the bin. That's coming out and going in there. And then this here will get a new engine. But this one here should go heaps better. This thing here just got its fresh gearbox put in. Just got to put fluid in it. Cooler piping, little bits and pieces like that, and it'll be good to go again. But yeah, my Goody L will come off the road for a little bit. Get a new engine and whatnot. But this one here will be going again first. Because we've got to be able to slide, right? It's boring not sliding. This one here, when the engine's out, I've got to change the K-frame. I don't know whether you can see that. Oh, yeah, you can. That's pretty fucked. That happened at Archerfield. I come into a corner and my hydro failed on me. My hydro didn't work and I've just jumped on the brakes. Coming in way too fast, coming in third gear, jumped on the brakes and just run out of room and just jumped straight up over a ripple strip and off the side of the track. I didn't hit anything, but just the impact of the ripple strip just pushed the whole wheel back. See that there? It's like 3 fingers. Okay, it's a bit hard to tell on this side. It's got a bit of a fucked up fucking wheel on it. But like, it's a big gap anyway. It was very difficult to drive, but I managed to get the hang of it. I sent my wheels off. My wheels off for the Corona to get painted. And I just got them back. This is a quick picture of them. I've got to fit them on now. I'll put the rims back together. Might get some new bolts. Put them all back together, or maybe paint the bolts that hold them all together. We'll see. I'll decide when I put it all together anyway, and then they can go back on this, and then put the height where I want. So I'll put the wheels on, put some reg on it, start punting it around. These Falcon wheels, they look enormous on it, eh? They fit so good though. So keen to drive this thing for some reason. Don't know why, but for some reason. While my engine is out and K-frame is out, I'll probably paint this engine bay because no one likes that colour. No one. So I might give it a paint. The rest of the car actually looks like complete shit. So I may as well have a decent looking engine bay, right? Now I've got to pick a colour. What colour you reckon? Any colour. I don't care what colour. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow, pink. Taking my wheels off. I noticed all the scrubbing marks. Obviously, with my 18 by 9.5, with a bent K-frame, it's going to hit there. Which wasn't so bad. I didn't mind that. But when you go on this side, it's still scrubbing, which isn't so bad. But when it's scrubbing on your brake lines, that's fucked. That's not good. Imagine losing brakes. That would fucking suck. I have to do something about that. Alright, put the engine crane in. It's not quite ready to lift out yet, but it's almost ready. I just got to undo gearbox cross member. As I jack it up and get it higher, then I'll get it in underneath. Yeah, fuck yeah. In underneath and get the fuel lines and heater lines. I don't want to cut them because, you know, winter, no windows, sunroof, all that dumb shit that I've done. I still want to have a heater for my feet. So that'll probably do for today. The rest will probably be tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon we'll do the rest. Hopefully pull it out. degrease the engine bay. And go from there. Pulling this engine out today. On my own, so I got some persuasion because we're in the fucking dirt. Can't see shit.
I like them thick like my baseline. Some of that one of a kind fine, and she stays to the dime. All over the world, I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you're
Done. It's out. Was a little bit difficult. Just got to check the steering lines. They're all good. Not dented. Dented them once. Still on it like that so far. My biggest thing is putting too much pressure here and then cracking the window, but we didn't do that today. That's so fun. I'll fix it. Now time to clean it all up. A couple of the boys are heading up into the mountains tonight. Do a few drifts and whatnot through the mountains. I went last weekend in this. Accidentally hit a wall. Wasn't too bad, just damaged a guard. Had a blue guard. Now got a burgundy guard. Not so bad. But I lost the fourth gear while I was drifting, so if I want to go tonight, I've got to jack this up and change my gearbox over. I've got a couple spare, but we'll see. I might do it. See how we go, it'll be fun. Looks exactly the way it did inside my head when I dreamed about it. All the things I could